Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Minimatic. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Join Minimatic and help push Matic to the top of the market. Together, let's build the future of Matic. Minimatic is more than just a baby token, it's a collective force where every community member plays a key role. Each transaction fuels Matic's growth while holders are rewarded at every stage of its rise. You can check here contact address. You can copy this contact address here, and next guy you can check here the partnership of this project. You can see this partner CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, QuickSwap, Polygon, you can check here. And next we go to this project about Minimatic is a baby token designed to revolutionize the Polygon ecosystem. Driven by an ambitious vision, it aims to propel Matic's value to new heights through the power of its community. Each transaction strengthens Matic's value while offering exclusive reward to holders by placing the community at the heart of its strategy. Minimatic transforms every investor into a key player in the Polygon revolution. And as guys, you can click this and see this white paper of this project. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can check a Minimatic white paper PDF open. You can see this Minimatic white paper. Minimatic is first baby token built on Polygon ecosystem. You can check here all detail, and next guy you can check here vision of this project. You can see this, and next guy you can see this core features, community engagement, revitalizing Polygon, strategic partnerships. You can check here security and transparency. And next guys, you can see the tokenomics of this project we discussed later. You can check here roadmap. You can see this, and next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. So guys, you can scroll down and see this Minimatic baby token project picture. You can check here, and next guys, you can see this a few years ago Solana was at an all-time low. Few investors believed in its potential. Then a groundbreaking project emerged, relying a strong community and with investors. Together, they propelled Solana to new heights, redefining its future and its position in the crypto market. So guys, you can see this Solana in Solana. So guys, you can check here, and next guys, you can see this picture of this project Minimatic baby token Polygon project. You can check here. Today Polygon find itself a similar crossroad, and it is where Minimatic steps in. Our ambitious project is inspired by Solana's remarkable turnaround. Minimatic aims to play a key role in the Polygon ecosystem, bringing renewed energy and rekindling investor interest. With Minimatic, we firmly believe Polygon can soar to new heights, reclaim its position among the holders, and surpass its previous limit. Our vision is clear: to build a strong community aligned with our goals, rewriting the story of success in the world of cryptocurrency. You can check here Altel. You can see this Polygon Minimatic. Why Polygon? Why Polygon? At Minimatic, we are passionate about Polygon, true fan of this incredible blockchain. As devoted admirers of this innovative technology, we dream of seeing Polygon reach heights never before achieved. You can check here, and next guy, you can see what about you. Are you like us, captivated by limitless possibilities of cryptocurrencies and inspired by the groundbreaking innovation of Polygon? If you believe in the power of this blockchain to revolutionize the crypto world, now is the time to act. Join us the exciting journey to unlock Polygon true potential. You can check here, and you can see this hold Minimatics. By holding or buying Minimatics, you are not just investing in a token, you are embracing a movement. Minimatic is built with the vision, potential, and strategy to rise to the top of the crypto world. With our strong foundation, ambitious roadmap, and dedicated community, you can check here all detail. And next we discuss how to buy Minimatic. Step 1, connect your wallet. Step 2, acquire Matic. You can check here. Step 3, go to DEX, visit QuickSwap. You can check here. Step 4, Swapmatic to Minimatic. You can check here all detail, and next you can see this mission and vision. At Minimatic, our mission is to uplift the Polygon ecosystem and empower the community to achieve unprecedented growth. You can see this, our vision is to create a decentralized, transparent and thriving environment where every participant benefits from the project's success. Community at the core. Minimatic is driven by its community. We believe in the collective power of our sport to build, grow, and achieve great things together. You can check here all detail. And next guys, you can see the first act or the first to win. You can buy on ping sale. So guys, you can click here. Then you can buy on ping sale. And next guys, you can check here tokenomics. Tokenomics name Minimatic symbol. Mac, blockchain, Polygon, decimal 18, turtle supply. You can check here. You can see this liquidity 28.5%, pre-sale 30%, team 7%, airdrop 12.5%, marketing 12%, CX 10%. And next we go to this project roadmap. Customer one, preparation and initial launch. Project idea, ideation and conceptualization, creation of the Minimatic token, design of the visual identity, development of the official website, creation of social media account, Telegram, Twitter, etc. Customer 2, pre-sale and public launch, exclusive airdrop to reward the first members of community, launch of pre-sale on ping sale. You can check here. Customer 3, expansion and growth, launch of a global market campaign, regular airdrops for holders to build community loyalty, strategic partnership with other projects in the Polygon ecosystem. You can check here. Customer 4, evolution of the Minimatic ecosystem, exclusive community events, integration of Minimatic into project in the Polygon ecosystem. You can check here. And next guys, you can see the now is the time to seize this unique opportunity. You can check here detail. And next guys, we go to this project airdrop details. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here, page is open, Minimatic airdrop. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity. Join Minimatic journey and receive free token by participating in our exclusive airdrop. We believe in the power of our community, and this airdrop is our way of thinking of your early sport. So guys, you can check here how to participate. Number 1, join our community on Telegram. Then you can see this. Number 2, follow us on social media, Twitter. And number 3, fill out the airdrop form. So guys, you can click here, then you can fill out the form. You can see this page is loading, it takes time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can check here Minimatic airdrop registration form. You can see this. So guys, you can solve this form, enter your full name, enter your email address. You can enter, have you joined our Telegram. You can see this, have you followed Minimatic on Twitter, enter your Telegram username, enter your Twitter profile link, enter your Polygon Matic address. Then you can submit now, then you can participate and get registration. This big Minimatic airdrop. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this, why join the airdrop. Early access, boost your rewards, community impact. Hurry up to join this project airdrop. You can check here. And next we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here Minimatic official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here all update about this Minimatic airdrop. You can check here all detail. You can join this airdrop now. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this Minimatic main official Telegram group chat community is open. 202 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. Minimatic is the baby token designed to revolutionize the Polygon ecosystem. You can check here detail of this project. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.